One life you change. You don't need to change entire world. You change one life, you're changing the around the world. Ultimately, you change the world around you.
So this reel is for the beautiful people and the community who are running this beautiful cafe in South Mumbai. It's really beautiful. I can't explain that how we felt there, and the cause that we got to know why they are running this cafe made it much more special. That we'll tell you by the end of the video.
सोचूं के मिलनी ते भूलांगा कि तेरी तां गल्लां च शायरी वेखेगी मैनू ते सोचेगी क्या तू मिट्टी दा बंदा मैं तू तां परी इश्के दी गलियां च खोया है दिल वे आस लगाई के जाए तू मिलवे कोल तेरे मैनू आण दे सोनी करा मैं कितने जतन नो सोनी दूरों दूरों में
To one of those people who are running this Bombay to Barcelona cafe. The reason why the owner of the cafe is running this is explained here in this video, and it's for a good cause, and you will love it. So let's hear that.
So basically, this is not just cafe. This cafe only running by street boys and girls. Okay. So we, all of us are boys and girls, are here from the orphanage. Even the founder who didn't start it, he's the founder who started this place, Mr. Amish. So basically, these also from same orphanage, from the Sneha Southern School. So what happened after 18, 19, 20? Lot of boys and girls, they move out from the orphanage, start the life and start the journey. At that point, lot of boys and girls, they don't have a family, they don't have any relative. So what happened was kind of children. Okay. How they going to be surviving or how they going to moving out, it's some very difficult for us.
Could you explain that Bombay to Barcelona story also?
Sure. So Bombay to Barcelona is just not a name. It's a story behind it. The Amin Sheikh himself, he was working with the Yusuf Fanaid as a Man Friday. So Yusuf Fanaid is very known in 80s, 90s, he was an artist. Like earlier, you might be seen the movie poster used to come, they used to paint. Now the printed one come, but earlier they used to paint. And while the painting, the Yusuf used to draw this kind of thing. Even the Amul girl, the Atli Batli, it's created by his boss. So Amin for him as a Man Friday, for like washing, cleaning, driving, doing everything for him. And that's how he does survival comes. But what happened then, every year Yusuf used to give him present to Amin. Sometimes watch, sometimes clothes, sometimes t-shirt. Yes. And that's how he used to get. And whatever he had, every Christmas he used to get. So what he thought, like one Christmas he asked, what do you want Christmas present? So he told me, nothing I need. I have everything whatever I need. If you want to give me, take me to Spain. Take me to Barcelona. I want to see that. Because whenever he used to meet European people from the Spain, from France, from Germany, or other part of the world, they never call him driver, they never call him slave, you never call him, cleaner or something. They used to always call me Shami, can you please come here? Okay. Can you pick me? Can you drop me? And whenever they're going any corporation, they used to treat same like as a human being. They never treat as a driver or as a cleaner. And then that's somewhere you feel like, wow, why they are so different? They are not my friends, they are not my family. But even they're calling my name, giving me respect.
You're getting that feeling.
Yeah, and they are my own friends. Me calling, yeah, driver idhara, yeah, cleaner idhara.
That's the difference.
And that's the reason why. That's why you want to travel to Spain. When you travel to Spain, you saw the Spain when you land.
Okay.
That every part of the city, generally what we see the beautiful architecture, building, apartment, luxurious, everything. But what he was looking simply on the road.
Okay.
And nobody is breaking on the road. No family strong together. Why we cannot be?
Yes.
Where we can be, we
No
stand
process.
together, we can do much better. And we can change the world entirely. And that's the only thing he had thought, and that's what we're doing now. So thanks to you, Win, come and support. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah. Because of good people around you. Come here, support. So thanks to you.
Thank you so much. We also felt nice hearing all the story behind.
Because you're nice, man. When you're nice, everything is nice. That's it. The moment you're not nice and not good, you go to the best place and you see the best things.
के मिलनी ते भूलांगा कि तेरी तां गल्लां च शायरी सोचूं के मिलनी ते भूलांगा कि तेरी तां गल्लां च शायरी वेखेगी मैनू ते सोचेगी क्या तू मिट्टी दा बंदा मैं तू तां परी इश्के दी गलियां च खोया